Thank you very much. You may wish to take your seat, Your Excellency. Thank you so much. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, may peace and the blessings of Allah be upon the noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his companions, and all those who follow his teachings till the last day of resurrection. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, Honorable Speaker, Zamfara State House of Assembly, Secretary to the State Government, Commissioners, Special Advisors, Special Assistants, Your Royal Highnesses here present, the PDP State Chairman, Dr. Jamil Jibo Magayaki, and his Secretary, Honorable Nazir Ibrahim, Publicity Secretary Haliru Andi, other party officials, elders, distinguished gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Distinguished guests, some few months back, His Excellency was at this hospital and what he saw was an eyesore, and promised to rehabilitate it, give it a total reconstruction and rehabilitation with equipments and everything. And here we are today to celebrate the practical translation of that commitment of His Excellency that he has made to the people of Kaura Namoda. Before we commence, please let's put our hands together to His Excellency for his commitment and matching his words with action. Your Excellency, before we commence, let us seek for the blessings and guidance of Almighty Allah, our Creator, by inviting the Honorable Grand Kadi, Zamfara State, Dr. Tahir Muhammad Gusau, to give us the opening prayer. Honorable Grand Kadi, sir.
Salati manzo Allah sallallahu alaihi wa alihi lam salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allah muna roƙonka wannan taro da za a yi, Allah samu shi lafiya mu kare shi lafiya. Wannan aiki da mu girma gwamnati dauko na ci gaban wannan jiha, mutane suna murna, muna roƙon Allah ya dafa maka, Allah ya taimaka maka, Allah baka nasara. Allah sa ƙara mulkin ka lafiya a cikin jin daɗi da kwarjini da farin jini ga jama'a don albarkar Qur'ani. Allah ba mu lafiya da zaman lafiya a cikin jihar mu da arewar Najeriya gaba ɗaya. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Thank you very much, Honorable Grand Kadi. May Allah accept your prayers and bring us lasting peace and development in Zamfara State. Your Excellency, may I invite the Honorable Commissioner, Ministry for Health, Hajia Dr. Aisha MZ Anka, to welcome you and other esteemed guests to this occasion.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, Dr. Dauda Lawal, the Right Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Commissioners, the Special Advisors, the Grand Kadi, the honorable members of Zamfara State Assembly, Your Royal Highness the Emir of Kaura, the sole administrators, our royal fathers, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is with great pleasure and immense pride that I'll welcome you all to this significant occasion, the commissioning ceremony of the renovated and equipped General Hospital, Kaura Namoda. Let me begin by expressing my deepest gratitude to our amiable, industrious, and quintessential Governor, His Excellency, Dr. Dauda Lawal. Indeed, sir, you have shown dynamism, focus, efficiency, and candor in the way you have piloted the affairs of our dear state so far, especially in the health sector. Sir, let me inform you today that you are the most health-friendly governor in the country. Sir, your purposeful leadership, steadfastness, and genuine commitment to rescue our state entirely has made your administration a role model and a reference point for other states to emulate in Nigeria. Your Excellency, sir, you have prioritized the health sector as evident by the following. 1. Declaration of state of emergency on health sector. 2. You have met with international donor agencies to support your declaration's technical areas. 3. You have commenced remodeling and upgrading of Ahmed Sani Yariman Bakura Specialist Hospital to the status of a teaching hospital. 4. You have improved the salary package of civil servants, including health workers in the state. 5. You have also approved the recruitment of all cadres of healthcare service providers. 6. You have approved free antenatal care, free hospital delivery, and free emergency cesarean section to reduce maternal death. You have renovated and upgraded General Hospital Nasarawa Burukullu, General Hospital Maradun, General Hospital Gurzaw, General Hospital Maru, and so on and so forth. Today, we are gathered here to commission the renovation and equipping of General Hospital Kaura Namoda, which was executed with meticulous attention to details aimed to provide a conducive environment to both patients and healthcare providers. This project consists of two important components. The first component is the civil work, under which we have the new construction and renovation. The new construction includes laboratory department, dental department, x-ray department, and the new hospital entrance gate. While the renovation includes the administrative block, the theater, general outpatient department, male ward, female ward, pediatric ward, eye clinic, maternity ward, medical director's office, medical director's house, nurse's house, chief nursing officer's house, hospital laundry, as well as the hospital kitchen. The second important component of this project is the provision of state-of-art medical equipment, and these include automatic hematology analyzer, centrifuge machine, digital x-ray machine, ECG machine, electric suction machine, electrodiatomy machine, electrophoresis machine, delivery beds, ward beds, and mattresses, to mention but a few. Ladies and gentlemen, now that this hospital is equipped with state-of-art facilities that will significantly bolster our healthcare services delivery, it will also enable us to cater for the healthcare needs of our people. It is a pivotal step towards achieving the goals of universal healthcare coverage and improving health outcomes in our dear state. Finally, I wish to commend the effort of the contractor for a job well done. For the people of Kaura Namoda, the local government, and my professional colleagues, let me reaffirm our commitment to support this administration's effort by maintaining and utilizing this facility effectively. Let us ensure that it serves as a center of healing, compassion, and excellence in healthcare delivery. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to everyone and thank you for gracing this occasion. Together, let us continue to strive towards a healthier and more prosperous Zamfara state. Masalam.
Da Allah ƙara taɓa ma kwamishina. Ta yi dogon turanci mun ta jin sunayen wasu na'urorin asibiti waɗanda ga intanet muke ganin su. Ta ce duka akwai su yanzu a jiha. Allah ya saka da alheri, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, akwai Kaura Namoda Cultural Troupe, mun sha zuwa bukukuwa suna neman dama. Yau ina so ka ba su minti biyu su faɗi menene suke da shi. Kaura Namoda Cultural Troupe na ba ku minti biyu kawai da izinin mai girma gwamna.
Ya taho cikin asibitin ga a kwantar da shi. Kai, alhaji babban kana ta kwatata lahiya to yau ranar murna ranar farin ciki yau asibitin Kaura ta zama Ingila. To Allah ya hada mu da dattijon kwarai mai son ci gaban Zamfara.
Assalamu alaikum. Ana ga dattijo da kwamishina da wata labarai da kwamishina da karan da kadi da kuma alƙwan kuma don na gane sunan ne ana ta taro amma bai sabon da aka yi ba.
To alheri ne ya kawo muna cikin garin Kauran Namoda kuma ga sai ya muna su ta chairman matashi an nuna ya nuna matasa tare da su za a mulkin ga.
Baba ya kai dan lalle matsala gare ka kai da a ta wasa ba wai har yanzu ba yayan gaba ayi naka ba lahiya. Baba laguka mota ya mota kakkare da mutane wayo baba mota kana magana an ka ce maka kana gaban mai girma gwamna kana
ku saurara shi ai mai alheri ne daga cikin alherurrukan da ya kai mini duk inda ya haɗu da ni sai ya mai alheri yanzu ka gan shi insha Allah waɗannan alƙawulla duk cika.
Assalamu alaikum. Ana ji wani lalle na magana yau lokacin da mai girma gwamna ya taho Kaura Namoda ya yi bikin sallah. Ya mana alƙawalin mota kuma ka can mutum ne mai cika alƙawali na can kuma yanzu ne ba wanda ba da bace tun daga mu da sarkin arewa.
Kai tun da dattijo ne insha Allah ba ku tafiya sai da muka
na dawo ai mai girma gwamna dattijo ne kuma ga yadda dattijon arziki sarkin arewa to mun san motar muka hannu take.
Abinda na faɗa ma wanga alheri banda kurma ciki banda kurma.
To mun gode kwarai mun gode. Mun gode kwarai. To yanzu shiga ta kawo ga mai gida don haka protocol minti ɗaya akwai ɗan aikin da za mu yi kafin mai gida ya taso. Wannan zai koma can aiko? Aikinku ne ku hau ku yi aikinku. Protocol. Gentlemen of the press, thanks. Please set your as you want them. Before they set this, let us recall how this hospital looked like. Sometimes people will just feel as if, are they really dreaming, or are they in the right place, or they missed their road? And this is what transformation is all about. Your Excellency, you have taken time to change the narratives in the state. In fact, The way you approach politics has given the people the feelings that politicians are not liars. They are highly responsive and responsible individuals that give their life and their time for the development of the state. Please, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, having said everything, I now have the honor and privilege to welcome His Excellency to the podium for his speech. Just before that, I recognize the presence of the Commissioner of Police. He has been here with us.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The Honorable Speaker, Zamfara State House of Assembly, Honorable Commissioners and Advisors, our Grand Cadi, Chairman PDP Chapter Zamfara State, and his ESCO members, security agencies that are here with us, our royal fathers, invited guests, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Let me begin by expressing gratitude to Almighty Allah for allowing us together in this historic commercial town of Kaura Namoda to inaugurate the fully renovated General Hospital Kaura Namoda. This health facility, which serve the people of Kaura Namoda and its neighboring communities, has now been equipped to deliver quality healthcare service effectively. It is important to note that while primary healthcare facilities remain the primary source of healthcare for most of the populace, addressing the broader health needs of the general population, secondary healthcare facilities like this general hospital are critical for providing more advanced care. Therefore, these facilities must be made accessible and affordable to the people in line with SDG goal number 3, which aspires to ensure health and well-being for all, a significant focus of this administration. Distinguished personalities, ladies and gentlemen, as I have repeatedly stated, the central focus of this administration, which by the will of Allah assumed office a year ago, is to revitalize the ailing infrastructure and address the decay across virtually all sectors of the economy. This vision guided our decision to develop a transformation agenda comprising 6 pillars, which has been the 3rd pillar following education as well as security. Our objective in revitalizing hospital is to ensure the quality healthcare services are available to our people, whether in rural communities or urban and semi-urban centers. This understanding led us to renovate and rehabilitate dilapidated healthcare centers, especially in critical towns like Kaura Namoda, which is strategically located among the urban local government and serving as a reference point of many surrounding communities. I'm delighted to report that in the last 14 months, we have made significant strides in improving the health sector by investing in renovating and upgrading hospital and primary health care centers across the state. We are also concluding plans to recruit and train more health workers, procure essential drugs and equipment, and introduce free maternal and child health services. This intervention, we hope, will result in improved health outcomes for our people through the reduction in maternal mortality, infant mortality, and morbidity rates across the state. Today's inauguration demonstrates our commitment to providing quality healthcare service for all residents of Zamfara, regardless of their location, status, or income. The project scope includes the complete renovation of the hospital, providing 32 kilowatt of steady solar power, installing 25 street lights, and supplying essential medical equipment. With the successful completion of this facility, I'm confident that the people of Kaura Namoda and neighboring towns and villages will now have access to affordable, quality healthcare services. The people of Kaura Namoda, Birnin Magaji, Shinkafi, Zurmi, and the surrounding communities now, you don't need to go to Gusau to get medical attention, inshallah. I pray that this project, along all other projects we have undertaken in the state as we mark 1 year in office, will serve the intended purposes, and that the benefiting communities will make the best use of them and safeguard them for prosperity. Finally, I thank everyone for attending and pray that Almighty Allah will continue to be our source of hope, guidance, and inspiration. I also wish to take this opportunity to commiserate with the various communities across the state affected by flooding due to excessive rainstorm within the last 1 week or thereabout. May Allah ease our burdens and grant us a bountiful harvest this rainy season. I also want to solicit your prayers, dear people of Zamfara State, for restoring peace and normalcy in our beloved state. Like the Commissioner of Health rightly mentioned, we've undertaken to upgrade all our hospitals. We started with Nasaram Burkulu. We have done Maru. As a matter of fact, in the next 1 week, we will go to Maru and commission similar project with the same equipment, inshallah. We have done that also in Maradin. We have done it here today in Kaura Namoda. Inshallah, like she rightly mentioned, You remember Kaura Specialist Hospital in a matter of months will be one of the best hospitals fully equipped in Nigeria, inshallah. Therefore, our declaration of emergency in the health sector is working. It was a promise we made, and by the grace of Almighty Allah, today we are fulfilling this promise in Kaura Namoda, and it will continue to go around the state by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm appealing to you who spend so much money to build and upgrade this hospital. We spend so much money to equip this hospital with modern facilities, and therefore we should not take it for granted. We should do our best to make sure it is functional. We are providing drugs across all the local government in our primary healthcare centers as well as our hospitals. We want to make sure every person can go to hospital and be attended to. That is the goal of this administration, and inshallah it will continue by the grace of Allah. As we speak, in some of the trips that we made, we're able to scale about 6.7 billion naira. That money will be used to fully equip all the primary health cares in Zamfara state, beginning from next week, inshallah. I pray to Almighty Allah to continue to put us on the right path where we will deliver justice as well as deliver the dividend of democracy. That is what leadership is all about. I thank you for listening, and I thank you for the cooperation, and I pray that by the time we commission this project today, it will begin to serve the people of Kaura Namoda as well as the communities around this area. Health sector is important, and will continue to give it priority by the grace of Allah. I thank you. Assalamu alaikum al'ummar Kaura Namoda. Idan za ku iya tunawa 'yan watanni kaɗan da suka wuce na zo wannan gari kuma na dasa cibiyar wannan aiki, kuma ne muku alƙawarin cewa da ikon Allah za mu canza wannan asibiti yanda duk wani talaka da mai kuɗi da kowa, mace da namiji, yaro da mace babba, za su samu kyakkyawar kula wajen kiwon lafiya. Alhamdulillah, wannan alƙawari da ni yau na cika muku. Ku ganau ne ba jiyo ba. Amfanin shugaba diye alƙawari ya cika. Mun gode ma Allah, Allah ya ba mu wannan dama, kuma mun cika muku wannan alƙawari. Yau al'ummar Kaura Namoda ba Kaura kawai ba, duk wani kewaye da ke nan wajejen ƙananan hukumomin birnin Magaji, Shinkafi, Zurmi da makamantansu, yau ba sai sun je Gusau neman kiwon lafiya ba. Da ikon Allah, duk abin da ya kamata a sa muku a wannan wuri mun sa muku. Kuma muna nan muna training likitoci da nurses da muke da su wanda da ba su da aiki, yanzu na ba da dama a ɗauke su aiki, a zo a kawo su don su kula da lafiya. Duk inda likitoci suke, da ikon Allah za mu nemo su, kuma za mu ba su haƙƙinsu don su zo su kula da al'umma. Yau in ba lafiya ba abin da za a yi. In ba lafiya yau dukkan mutanen nan ba za mu taru a haka ba. Saboda haka kiwon lafiya yana da muhimmanci. sai dai ina roƙonku kamar yadda Allah ya ba mu dama muka cika muku wannan alƙawari muka kashe maƙudan kuɗaɗe don mu tabbatar da kiwon lafiya, ina roƙonku don Allah a ji tsoron Allah a yi abin da ya kamata. Wannan abu naku ne, wannan abu yana da muhimmanci da gare ku. Wannan abu da muka yi mun yi ne don al'umma talakawa, ba wai sai dan fatin PDP ba ko APC ko wata abu. Kowa yau na Dauda ne. A matsayina na gwamna yau kowa a jihar Zamfara nawa ne. Hakkinsu yana kaina. Ni na cika alkawari. Saboda don Allah ku tabbatar da kun yi abin da ya kamata. Ina ƙara godiya, kuma har yanzu muna bara addu'a gare ku. Matsalolin da muke fuskanta na tsaro da makamantansu da talauci, Allah ya yi mana. Muna bakin ƙoƙarinmu, ko muna ƙara roƙo duk kuka yi sallah ku yi addu'a. Duk wanda yake mana makirci, da wanda yake mana zagon ƙasa, da wanda yake jin daɗi, Ubangiji Allah ya kaskanta shi, Allah ya tona mashi asiri. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Please put your hands together to His Excellency.
Kana iya wai da masoyan nisa, kuma ba ka cutata wa magautan nisa. Uba ga Fatima ɗan albarisa, Allah ya kare yi maka mulki da ke ta kullum addu'a. Zamfarawa 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 ga gwamnan mu, dole mu jinjina wa aikin da yake. Yayan Kabiru ja gaba Dauda mijin guriya, kainuwa da shan Allah ne mai gida namu. Zamfarawa 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 ga gwamnan mu, dole mu jinjina wa aikin da yake. Yayan Kabiru ja gaba Dauda mijin guriya, kainuwa da shan Allah ne mai gida namu. Zamfarawa 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 ga gwamnan mu, dole mu jinjina wa aikin da yake.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. May I now invite the sole administrator, Kaura Namoda local government, Honorable Kasimu Sani Kaura, to give us the vote of thanks. Your Excellency, thank you for your speech and for emphasizing that you are a governor for all, regardless of political affiliation. That is what a leader should be. Thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على النبي الكريم ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله أما بعد السلام عليكم. mai daraja gwamnan jihar Zamfara Dr. Dauda Lawal, wakilin Kaura Namoda, mai girma speaker, kwamishinoni, uwayen masarakuna, mai girma gidan kadi, jama'a assalamu alaikum. An ce in zo in yi godiya a madadin al'umma Kaura Namoda, amma ni ina da tabbacin cewa ba mu da wata kalma da za mu yi amfani da ita godiya zuwa ga wannan bawan Allah bisa ga abubuwan alkhairi da kama Kaura Namoda. Babban abin da muke tabbatar da mai gwamnati shine muna da tabbacin goyon bayan shi da yi mashi addu'a na samun nasara. Ko shakka babu mun sani cewa kawo ka jihar Zamfara alkhairi ne, domin lokacin da Allah ya kawo ka mun san halin da wannan jiha take ciki, kuma mun san yadda Allah ya kawo ka, to kuma alhamdulillah gashi mun fara ganin wa'annan al'amura cikin dan kankanan lokaci, musamman mu al'umma Kaura Namoda. Mun ba mu kira ka ba ka zo Kaura, mun nema ka muna kuma ba mu nema ka muna ba. So mai daraja goma muna godiya, Allah ya saka maka da alheri bisa ga wannan karamci da kake nuna ma wannan karamar hukuma. Wannan asibiti kuke gani tun lokacin da an ka gina ta ba mu taɓa samun wani gwamna ba ko na soja ko na hurlawan da shi ta kushe cikinta, sai mai daraja gwamna. So muna godiya mai daraja gwamna, Allah ya saka maka da alkhairi, Allah ya shi kare ka, Allah ya shi kare ka, kuma Allah ya shi baka nasarar ƙara wannan mulki lafiya. Muna godiya, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
To muna godiya a Kantoma. Da wannan zan gayyaci mai girma wakilin Namoda, His Excellency Governor Dauda Lawal, domin ya kaddamar da wannan wuri na asibiti da kuma wato shiga domin a ga shin menene ciki. Amma don Allah muna kira ga jama'a, kowa ya sani, in ya kamata kana wurin wallahi ka sani, in bai kamata ba ka tsaya daidai gwargwadon matsayinka. Mai girma gwamna da mukarrabansa kalilan su za su samu iya shiga. Mun sani asibiti ce, ba wuri ne da za a cika ba kamar yadda za a cika kasuwa ko tasha. With this, I have the honor and privilege to invite His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, and Wakilin Kaura Namoda to lead in commissioning this expensive, highly valuable project that have been executed for the people of Kaura Namoda, Zamfara, and Nigeria as a whole. Your Excellency, sir. Inda yake
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Da sunan Allah mai rahama mai jin kai, a wannan ranar talata 21 ga watan August 2024 a wannan gari. Today, Subhanahu wa ta'ala, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Your Excellency, how are you? Fine. It's okay. Allah ce bakin shugaban kasar Najeriya da izinin Allah. Akwai wani a ciki. Da shi yake magana live ne. Bari ya wuce. Ina MC station. MC. Ba wuri. Assalamu alaikum. Muna ma mai girma gwamna barka da zuwa wannan general hospital. Sunana da Sirajo Hussaini, liman shugaban wannan asibitin. Ya zo ne buɗe sabbin ayyuka da kuma total renovation na wannan general hospital Kaura Namoda. Yanzu ne Allah za mu zagaya ku gani da ido, ashe da ido abubuwan da aka gudanar. Yanzu a halin da ake ciki wayannan abubuwan duk sabbi ne.
kuma Allah ma ya karama baya tsancan
wuri biyu ne akwai na mu je gaba
After you disinfect,
Commissioner, you may please. Sorry, Excellency.
open the door for him.
Commissioner,
Okay, so.
So it's going to be 2 theater rooms.
This is the theater operating table.
Okay.
Another theater operating table with an aesthetic machine. Then we have operating light there. LED operating light.
This is working. Okay.
Then we have suction machine there.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. What about there? What is that?
This is the autoclave.
Okay, sterilizer. Okay. Okay. That is the latest equipment. Okay. Very good. Okay. So what else?
So we're going to the GOP.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Mavilo are among those missing. British Tech.
At TVC News, wherever the big news story is happening, we're geared up to break it. TVC News, first with breaking news. Stay ahead with the biggest news stories. Go beyond the news headlines. Experience impactful investigations. Enjoy resourceful news coverage in real time. TVC News at 7 and TVC News at 10 p.m. Live every day on this channel. TVC News. First with breaking news.